In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gmail filters for automation. This method automatically organizes all emails from a specific client into a label, so you never have to manually sort them again. Let's get started. Create a filter from an existing email. This is the fastest way to create a filter for a client you're already communicating with. Step 1. Open your Gmail inbox. Find an email from the client you want to auto-label. Click to open the email. Step 2. Look at the top right corner of the email. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on them. From the drop-down menu, select Filter Messages like these. Step 3. A search window will pop up. You'll see that the client's email address is already filled in the From field. You can leave it as is, or add more criteria if needed. Step 4. Click the blue Create Filter button at the bottom right. Auto-label clients. Now, let's set up the actions to automatically label this client's emails. Step 6. You'll see a list of action options. For auto-labeling a client, check the box next to Apply the Label. Step 7. Click the drop-down menu next to Apply the Label and select New Label. Type a name for the label, such as client-company name or just the client's name. Click Create. Step 8. While you're here, I also recommend checking Never Send It to Spam. This ensures you never miss an important client email. Step 8. Click the blue Create Filter button at the bottom. That's it. Your filter is now active. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.